In this video, I am going to explain one problem from projection of solids. The problem is a cone of base diameter 50 mm and the axis length 70 mm rests with its base on HP. A section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 35 degree to HP bisects the axis of the cone. Draw the development of the truncated cone. The question is, the diameter of the cone is 50 mm and the height is 70 mm. It is resting on horizontal plane. And after that, the cone is sectioned at an angle of 35 degree to HP, and the section plane is passing through the axis exactly at the center. So the term bisect is given. They are asking draw the development of the truncated cone. So truncated means cone or prism or pyramid. Any object, when we cut the object inclined to the axis, means it is called as truncated. When we cut the object parallel to the reference plane, means it is called as frustum. In this problem, they are asking draw the development of the truncated cone. First, draw the reference line and give name x and y and VP and HP. First, we are going to draw the circle. The radius of the circle is 25. The diameter of the circle is 50 mm. So in your compass, take 25 mm radius and draw one circle. Now divide this circle into 4 equal parts. And now we are going to give the name. It's a cone. It's having apex point. So center point is apex point O. And here A, B, C, D. These are the base portions of the cone. Now we are going to bring the projection to the reference line from A, from B and D, from C. When we look the object from this portion, the visible edges are A, B and C. D is invisible. Here A dash, and this point is B dash, this point is C dash, and above this point it is D dash, it is invisible. And from the center, draw one thin line, and height of the object is 70 mm. Draw a thin line. It is not a long edge or slanting edge. The cone and cylinder having only generators. So we draw this line very lightly or make a center line. And here this point is the apex point O dash. And here now we connect O and A, and then O and C. And now we are going to sectioning this object. The section plane is passing through the axis line. It is bisecting the axis. So exactly center 35 mm. I mark first in the axis, and the cutting plane angle is 35 degree to horizontal plane and perpendicular to VP. So perpendicular to VP பத்தி confuse பண்ணிக்க வேண்டாம். Concentrate on the horizontal plane. So it is make an angle 35 degree to HP, horizontal plane. So place the protractor like this and take angle 35 degree. Now draw the section plane on the object. So inside the object it is darker line, and there's a small dash, long dash, and here the name of the section plane is VT, and here mention the angle. The angle value is 35 degree, and here the true length. நம்ம வந்து என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், இந்த சர்க்கிளை வந்து 4 டிவைட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஃபார் அவர் கன்வீனியன்ஸ் we divide this circle into 4 equal parts. இதில் பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு edge, one slanting edge. The slanting edge is parallel to the reference line. So we consider this slanting length or this one, any one slanting, okay, other than the axis, okay. ஸோ இது ஏதாவது ஒரு ஸ்லாண்டிங் வந்து நம்ம ட்ரூ லெந்தாக கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ நம்ம ஃபைனலாக இங்கே டயக்ராம் ட்ரா பண்ணும்போது, அந்த ட்ரூ லெந்த் லைன் ட்ரா பண்ணும்போது we measure this distance O and A. Now I'm going to give the numbers on the section plane. So here first the visible edges 1 dash, and next one is O and B 2 dash, O and C 3 dash, and final invisible O and D 4 dash. Developing the lateral surface of a cone, truncated cone, it is required to find out the subtended angle. The formula for subtended angle is theta is equal to R by TL. TL means true length into 360 degree, where R is the base circle radius in mm. So in our problem the diameter is 50 mm, so the radius is 25 mm, and TL is the true length or slanting length. The true length is this value. Okay, from from O to A, when we measure this distance O and A, we get the true length value. In our problem, when we measure this length line O and A, the value is coming around 74.3 mm, and multiply this value into 360 degree, we get the subtended angle value is 121 degree. And here we divide this circle into 4 equal parts, so that we also divide the developing portion of the cone also into 4 equal parts. So 121 divided by 4, we get 30.25 degree. So first mark one point. The point name is O, and first draw one straight line at any angle. Draw one straight line, and next take the compass and measure the distance of O and A, and place the compass here. And from this point, from the line, from this point, draw one curve. Draw one curve at some angle, and here we place the protractor in this line, and point O is the center, and mark angle 121 degree. 121 degree, and place the scale here, then draw one straight line. So up to these 2 lines, the development of the lateral surface of cone will come. And now we divide the cone into 4 equal parts in this top view, and here also in the developing surface also we need to divide this area into 4 equal parts. So one division value is 30.25 degree. Place a protractor, O is the center, and take 30.25 degree, approximately take the value 30.25 degree, and draw one line. And next take the compass and measure this distance from this first division, and mark the remaining portions. So second division, third division, and final one. And now connect all the points to the apex point. And the bottom, the name is A, B, C, D, and again A. It's a cone. So for the bottom, coming a curve. So darken the curve portion, and now we are going to mark the section plane points in this developing area. So first point, here we are following radial line method. For the pyramid and the cone we follow radial line method. For the cylinder and prism we are following parallel line method. First point, for the radial line method we always take the value in the true length or the slanting length only. So first point, we need to bring all the section points to the true length. So first point is on the slanting length or true length only, and from the second point we need to bring the value to the true length, second point and fourth point, and from third point also we bring the value to the true length. So here this is the point number 1, this point is for 1, this point is for 2 and 4, and this point is for 3. So first take the compass and measure the distance of O and 1. The point number 1 is located on the slanting length O and A. This is length O and A. Place the compass and mark the first point. And point number 2 is located on the visible slanting length O and B. So we need to measure in the true length. So point O and 2, we take the value and place the compass. Point 2 is located on O and B slanting edge. So draw the line. This is point number 2. And as point 3 is located on O and C slanting edge. O and C slanting edge. Measure the distance on the true length O and 3 and place the compass the point O and C. This is point number 3. And next O and D line. This is the invisible edge. Cone back side la irukudhu. Okay. So appo theriyadu. Measure the distance on the true length O and 4. Invisible edge O and invisible slanting edge O and D. O and D. Mark the point here. This is point number 4. And finally O and A. So measure the distance on the true length. Place the compass here and mark the point. This is point number again 1. It's a cone. So we need to connect all the points by draw a smooth curve. So we start from point 1. So first we start. You draw like this. And இதுக்கு மேலே இருக்கிற போர்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே தேவையில்லாத போர்ஷன்ஸ். இந்த கர்வுக்கு உள்ளாடி இருக்கிற போர்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே required portions. So we need to darken these areas. Inside இருக்கிற slanting edges எதுவுமே டார்க் பண்ணி காமிக்க தேவையில்லை, because it's a cone. For cylinder and cone it does not having any longer edges or slanting edges. So it having only generator. அதனால் இன்சைடில் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண வேண்டாம், இந்த லைன்ஸை நம்ம டார்க் பண்ணி காமிக்க வேண்டாம். இந்த லைன்ஸ் இந்த இது எல்லாமே நம்ம டார்க் பண்ணி காமிக்கணும். ஸோ ஃபார் டார்க்கனிங் த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் யூ கேன் யூஸ் HB பென்சில். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி இங்கேயும் in this simple portion diagram also we need to darken the truncated portion. The remaining portion is lighter than this truncated portion. And also we need to darken this top surface also, top view also. And here the diameter of the object we need to mention by dimensioning line. So draw the dimensioning line. And the diameter of the object is 50 mm. Height of the object is 75, and it's bisecting the axis distance is 35. This value is 35, and here 10 mm distance, and here the height is 70 mm, and here the subtended angle value is 121 degree, and this one is the true length or slanting length. Mention here true length, this value we know, write the value is 74.3. So this is true length. And finally in the bottom of the diagram you mention all dimensions are in mm, scale 1:1.